The retail giant Walmart has now formally initiated the process of entering the cryptocurrency market. At the tail end of the previous year, there was a pervasive rumor going around that the retail behemoth had begun accepting cryptocurrency payments in the form of Litecoin. On the other hand, Walmart dispelled the notion by stating publicly that it does not now support the cryptocurrency in question as a form of payment. However, this did not mean that the grocery chain was against the idea of the crypt space. According to patent papers made public over the weekend, the shop plans to establish its own cryptocurrency and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. This will consolidate the retailer's entrance into the metaverse and the cryptocurrency market in general. Welcome to Crypto News. Today, we will talk about whether Walmart is involved in crypto. Stay with us until the end of the video to learn more. Like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notified of all the latest updates. Let's jump to the topic. According to papers made with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, Walmart Incorporated is preparing to build its own cryptocurrency and a collection of non-fungible tokens. This will set the stage for the company to meet its clients in the developing metaverse. In December, the company filed applications for many new trademarks, indicating that it aims to produce and sell various virtual items, including electronics, home decor, toys, sporting goods, and personal care products. CNBC was the first to report on the applications, representing a big move for the retail giant as it investigates ways to participate in the metaverse. This virtual environment combines parts of digital technologies. According to a job advertisement on the retailer's website from August, the company was looking to fill a role in which the candidate would be responsible for developing the digital currency strategy and product roadmap, while also identifying crypto-related investment and collaborations. The applications were part of a flurry of filings made by the corporation on December 30th, including 3 for a financial exchange for virtual currency and advertising that were made under the name Walmart Connect. This is the name of the company's existing digital advertising operation. Other applications for shopping services, including Verse to Store, Verse to Curb, and Verse to Home, have also been submitted. In addition, the company is looking to register its name and fireworks emblem as trademarks to use them to provide healthcare services and education using virtual and augmented reality. Suresh Kumar, the global chief technology officer of Walmart, believes that cryptocurrency will become a significant area of disruption in the future, particularly in how customers will pay for virtual and physical things. Kumar made this prediction in a recent interview. On October 17, Kumar presented Walmart's optimistic view on digital assets while speaking at the Yahoo Finance All Markets Summit. He noted that crypto will become an integral component of how customers transact for physical and virtual goods. In my opinion, there are 3 primary areas in which there is disruption. Crypto sits in kind of the middle of it, he said, stressing that the way in which customers are being inspired and discovering products is changing. The way in which customers are getting inspired and discovering products. When you specifically talk about crypto, it is going to be about the discovery of products, whether it is physical or virtual inside, either the metaverse or upfront, and then how people transact. Kumar also suggested that a significant number of customers will be marketed to through the metaverse and live streams on social media apps, and that cryptocurrency could be a vital payment option in these areas. This is likely what led Walmart to make its recent debut in the Roblox metaverse with the introduction of Walmart Land at the end of September. There are a variety of virtual activities, such as games, a DJ booth, and a Ferris wheel, that the company is presenting there. In addition, the company is selling virtual retail products known as Virch for the avatars of its users. At this point in time, the Roblox metaverse does not support the integration of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or cryptocurrency. On the other hand, Walmart has stated in the past in patent filings from January that the company may look into the possibility of creating digital currencies, tokens, and NFTs in the metaverse sector at some point in the future. We want to make it as friction-free as possible for customers to be able to transact, to be able to buy, and to understand how they are able to gain value from it. And that is where, I think, a lot of the disruption is going to start happening in terms of other payment methods, different payment possibilities, he added. And that is where a lot of the disruption is going to start happening in terms of different payment alternatives. The global retail giant has been said to have been working on rolling out crypto payment capabilities for some time, but thus far, only false alarms have surfaced, such as the bogus contract with Litecoin, LTC. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency used to pay for goods and services. Stock prices decreased by $55.63, which was disclosed in a questionable press release in September of the previous year. As things stand, there was approximately 200 Bitcoin, BTC, in circulation. The market dropped $20,675 today. ATMs were deployed in Walmart stores across the United States in October 2021, and there were plans to increase the number of ATMs in Walmart stores to 8,000 at some point in the indefinite future. A spokeswoman from Walmart did not immediately comment on the filings after they were made public. By filing all of the applications, the corporation has indicated that it intends to use them, but it has yet to commence doing so. The trademarks won't be registered with the government until after they have been put into use. In September, Walmart's cryptocurrency intentions were the subject of a high-profile hoax that prompted a short-lived price of Litecoin, a relatively obscure cryptocurrency. The price rise was triggered by a bogus announcement spread by hackers. The phony press release claimed that Walmart would soon begin accepting customer Litecoin payments. However, this report was completely made up. Despite this, Walmart has kept working to better understand its capabilities in this field. The retailer, with headquarters in Bentonville, Arkansas, launched a test program in October that allows customers to buy Bitcoin at Coinstar kiosks located at several of its locations around the United States. The trial with Coinstar, well known for its kiosks that allow consumers to swap U.S. coins for paper bills or gift cards, will take place at 200 Walmart stores. Coinstar kiosks are recognized for letting customers exchange pennies for bills or gift cards. At the beginning of December, Walmart Chief Financial Officer Brett Biggs stated at an analyst conference that the company was open to allowing shoppers to pay in cryptocurrency if customers demand it. However, the company did not see a need to rush out any capabilities. Biggs made this statement in response to a question about whether or not Walmart would allow customers to pay in cryptocurrency. If you made it to the end of this video and are interested in knowing more, let us know which part of the video you liked the most in the comments section below. We will appreciate your comment and work to make a video on your desired topic with an account shout-out. Please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to be notified of our next video. Thanks for watching.